How to find hidden chats on Viber. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. Today I'll let you guys know the ways to find hidden chats on Viber. So to do this, you have to open up your Viber application. Now first of all, I'm gonna let you guys know the ways to actually find out or ways to actually hide the chat. So let's say this is the one that I want to hide. Now I have to long press on it and click on the hide chat button. When I do that, it's gonna ask me to set a pin, so I'm gonna go ahead and type in the pin, and then you could see that it has been hid. Now in order to search for the hidden chat, you just need to go ahead and tap on the search bar in the top right, and you just need to type in the pin that was set. So you could see these are the contact that I've actually hid, so I'm gonna go ahead and access them, and this way you can actually hide the contact. So that's the way you could find hidden chat on Viber. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.